Hiccups. Hiccups. Hiccups.
Peppa, George, Mummy and Daddy, Mummy and Daddy, Peppa, George, Peppa, Peppa, George, 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 Mummy and Daddy, Mummy and Daddy, Peppa, 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 George, Mummy and Daddy.
When you finish your breakfast.
George, don't drink your juice too quickly. George, don't drink your juice too quickly. George, don't drink your juice too quickly. Quickly, 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 quickly. George drank his juice too quickly. Now he has hiccups.
What? Now, Mummy?
Not while George has cups. Not while George has hiccups.
Haven't they, George?
Oh, all right, you can go out and...
I'm gonna throw the ball. George, please stop hiccuping. George! Now you throw the ball to me.
George!
I know how to cure cups. You have to do as I say.
You must play so roughly with George. George, if you drink too quickly, you'll get
Really bad farts.
I'm not as little as George.